Your Volkswagen have a rough idle or a skip? Let's learn about it. At the end, we'll go through the Volkswagen PDF. Let's go ahead.
Idle on your Volkswagen is a guaranteed way to destroy your catalytic converter because of a hidden failure inside the fuel injectors. If you ignore the early warning signs, you face a compounding chain reaction that ruins your engine. I will reveal exactly what is breaking inside your engine, how to catch it, and the repair costs. The warning signs start during cold starts in the morning. Your engine might stumble, vibrate, or hesitate when you press the accelerator pedal. Soon, the yellow check engine light will begin flashing on your instrument cluster. This indicates an active misfire condition that is dumping unburned fuel directly into your exhaust system. This problem affects several gasoline-powered models from 2006 through 2025. This includes the Tiguan, Taos, Jetta, Passat, and Atlas, plus many other gasoline-powered models. When you scan the vehicle for codes, you will likely find specific diagnostic trouble codes stored. Look for code P0300, which indicates a random or multiple cylinder misfire. You may also see codes P0301 through P0308, which pinpoint the exact cylinder that is misfiring. However, if you see code P130A, this specific bulletin does not apply to your vehicle. Many drivers make the false assumption that their spark plugs or ignition coils have failed. They spend hundreds of dollars replacing these ignition components, but the rough idle quickly returns. The real culprit is a mechanical design limitation inherent to modern direct-injection gasoline engines. In these engines, the fuel injectors are mounted directly inside the combustion chambers. This placement exposes the injector nozzles to extreme heat and combustion byproduct every second. Older port injection engines sprayed fuel behind the intake valves, which constantly washed them clean. Direct injection leaves the intake valves dry and vulnerable to PCV system oil vapor buildup. Over time, these vapors bake onto the hot intake valves and form hard carbon crusts. At the same time, low-quality fuel leaves microscopic deposits inside the tiny injector spray nozzles. These deposits quickly distort the highly engineered fuel spray pattern. Instead of a fine atomized mist, the injector sprays heavy droplets that do not burn completely. This unburned fuel washes down the cylinder walls and dilutes your protective engine oil. Eventually, the unburned fuel travels down the exhaust pipe and reaches your hot catalytic converter. The raw fuel ignites inside the catalyst, causing thermal runaway and melting the internal ceramic core. To address this issue, Volkswagen issued Technical Service Bulletin 24-24-02 to guide technicians. The manufacturer identified poor quality low detergent fuel as the primary driver of this mechanical failure. The recommended diagnostic procedure focuses on chemical restoration before attempting any invasive teardowns. Technicians must first verify that no mechanical timing or ignition failures are present. The direct repair path begins by ensuring your fuel tank is at least half full. You must use the official Volkswagen fuel system additive, part number G001770A2, for this process. Pour the entire bottle of this specialized detergent additive directly into your fuel tank. This additive uses high-concentration polyethylamine chemistry to break down baked-on carbon deposits. Next, you must perform a dynamic road test with the transmission in sport mode. This forces the engine to run at higher RPMs, increasing fuel pressure and flow. The high-pressure fuel flow combined with the additive helps dissolve the deposits inside the nozzles. If the misfires do not return after this drive, the chemical treatment was successful. If the misfire returns, the technician must transition to a more advanced diagnostic protocol. This involves removing the intake manifold to inspect the intake valves directly. If the valves are heavily coated, they must be cleaned using specialized walnut shell blasting equipment. Technicians may also perform injector swap testing to isolate electrically or mechanically failed injectors. To prevent this entire issue, you should only use top-tier certified detergent gasoline. This fuel contains advanced additives that prevent carbon from bonding to metal engine components. If top-tier fuel is unavailable in your area, use the additive every 3,000 miles. This simple maintenance habit keeps the combustion chamber clean and protects your fuel system. Now, let us break down the real-world repair costs for this common issue. If the chemical additive treatment solves your misfires, the repair is remarkably inexpensive. A single bottle of the genuine Volkswagen additive, part number G001770A2, costs around $30. If you take the vehicle to an independent shop for diagnosis, expect a total bill of around $120. If you prefer to have a dealership perform this initial TSB service, the cost rises slightly. Expect to pay around $175 for the diagnostic time and the additive. However, if the deposits are severe and require walnut blasting, the price increases dramatically. An independent specialty shop will charge between $900 and $1,300 for this labor-intensive service. At an
into your
authorized
engine.
dealership, this deep manual cleaning service will cost between $1,300 and $1,800. If you ignored the warning signs and melted your catalytic converter, add another $2,000. Acting quickly on a rough idle can save you thousands of dollars in secondary repairs. Have you experienced a rough idle or misfire codes on your Volkswagen recently? Let us know in the comments below, and please like and subscribe for more helpful guides.
Okay, now we're gonna look at the official Volkswagen PDF. If I can hit it. Here is our official Volkswagen PDF document here. Looks like we include the Jetta 2024, 2025 published date. This was about a year ago, 2025. All the different misfire codes happen. Improve. As I always say while I'm reading these things, you don't want this to be 30 minutes, so I'm not going to read everything, but I will scroll in a way that you can pause and read it all yourself. Jetta. And I'll say if I see anything interesting. There's lots of interesting things on these. Let's see what we got. That did not look too interesting so far. Power control module. Well, there you go. That's what we have. Hope you learned something today about your misfiring Volkswagen Jetta. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Leave comments, ask me questions, do all this stuff.